So here's New Year's Day 2014, and it's a New Year's Day, so no one's out. Everything's very quiet, and these guys went ballistic. And here's where you're going to see the micro UFOs, and I'll show you that in a second. But here you'll notice that this guy, these police and police helicopters were circling directly over my house, and you can see from the curvature of the flight path of the helicopter that there's zero doubt that it's circling directly overhead. So you can see that the circle angle is right over my apartment. And now here's little micro UFOs, and I'm going to show you in a second and prove to you that these are actually little micro metal spy orbs of some kind, or just little micro UFOs. I don't know for sure what they are. They may even be aliens. Looks like a bird here, doesn't it? But watch carefully. I'll keep showing this. See? That's the same object further up as it moves past the helicopter there. You see it moving here like that, and I'll do several zoom ins so that you can really see it. But there's no question, it's a little metal object. You can fully see the light refracting off of it. And here it is coming slow, and you'll see you may mistake it for a bird, but even then, if you were to analyze it up close, you'd be able to tell it wasn't. But see right there, you can see it's definitely, it looks like one of those kind of a pea or jello mold shaped UFOs, but they're tiny. I would say that that's maybe 1.5 feet in diameter at the most. Actually, just looking at that, I would say it's maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 inches in diameter. But it could be bigger, I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure how far it is behind the helicopter. It looks like it's not more than 3 or 4 feet away, maybe 5 feet away as it comes to its closest point from the helicopter. But there's no question there is a metal object there, and it has a roundish shape, like a muffin shape. So you can't see there, but when it comes right here, bam, see? It's like a little metal pod of some kind. And again, you cannot see these with the naked eye because they're using the gravity technology and visibility, which makes it so that you can't see it. But when you video it, then it shows up in the video. So if they want to fly these little spy orbs or whatever they are, they're probably all over the place. I mean, they're probably right out there on my patio a lot of times when I look out. They're just there all the time. I mean, and it's interesting. I mean, if they're making that much expenditure over this, it's really quite something to see. Oh yeah, and here you can see the occupants of this police helicopter looking at me, and you can see the passenger in the back and the passenger in the front, and then the pilot behind him. And you can see that they are definitely looking directly at me as they are circling directly overhead. And the question you have to ask yourself is why?